I'm so excited about this because Ecamm is one of my favorite piece of equipment. I've been using it for over a year. God knows how long. I've been using it for a long time. And finally, they set up with this thing where you could do multi-streaming. Pump about it because you know what? I like to stream to different applications. And I just did 2 YouTube channels and Amazon Live. I also did 1 YouTube channel on Facebook and it worked out perfectly. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm here on Ecamm. Obviously, to the left right here is some of the scenes that I already have created. And very simple. I could do so many different things. Like I could do this right here, right? Put that in there. I could go ahead and do this right here. I can go ahead and put my cell phone. I can do a bunch of stuff here. All those things are already created. So if you want to go into streaming, click right here in the settings. And as you can see, some of my stuff is already set up there, but I'm going to come over here and just push streaming right there. So essentially I'm at 720p, 25 frames per second. Again, that's what you get for Amazon Live. So I'm kind of staying there. But if you click here, you could go to 1440. You could go to 2160. Once again, depends on the program that you have. If you have the Pro model, you could do that, right? The cool thing is down here, you could do a test and it will tell you for 3 different destinations. Obviously, you could change it if it's going to work or not. That is amazing. Love that, right? If you click in destinations, you're going to have a couple destinations. I'm going to erase just one just to show you, but I'm going to erase this one. And then I'm going to add a destination. I'm going to click, obviously, YouTube. You have Twitter. You have LinkedIn. You have Amazon Live. Even Instagram. It's going to open in a different screen. It's going to open my YouTube channel. I'm just going to click on it real quick. We're giving permissions to Ecamm to be able to access a channel. And again, I'm going to click in this already. And then I'm going to open it up very quickly. It doesn't take that much. And you can see the channel right there just appear. Other than that, guys, very simple. You click here on new, you click destination, Amazon, let's say this YouTube channel, and let's say this YouTube channel. I think I'm going to just do test. And by the way, this right here, additional platform auction, is going to be for Amazon. And if you're not aware, this is what's happening right here. In order to bring the comments into the picture, you're going to need the URL. So just go ahead and paste the URL in there. And once you click on somebody's comment, it's going to show here on the screen. That is awesome, right? On YouTube, you don't have to do that. On Facebook, you don't have to do that neither. Now, this is a thumbnail that I had already, but obviously just click here, pick a thumbnail, and it's going to appear right there. Now, you could go live right now, or you could schedule it. Keep in mind that if you go live right now on Amazon, you actually have to go into the app and click live. On YouTube, you're going to go just live. So it's going to be a second or two if you're going into Amazon Live because you have to click on that application as well. Obviously, you have visibility. Obviously, you can put some of the descriptions in here. Make sure you fill all that out. That's always good to do. And then you're going to click schedule, right? Let's do it for 5 o'clock so I could go ahead and erase it because I don't want to go live. But I'm going to click schedule and it's going to schedule that. And then I'm going to show it to you guys. All right, the streams are scheduled right there. You can see 3 different destinations. All I have to do is go live, click right here, and I'll be live. Just to show you real quick, I'm going to go to the page right there. Here it is on the Content Creator Tool channel. And here it is on the Fabian Review channel. And obviously, and Amazon is there as well. And again, if you want to make any changes, you could click here and you can edit that stat out right there. You know, just give you access to that. If you want to make changes to the whole thing, just click in here and you can make changes to the whole thing. Once you're ready, guys, once you're ready, simple. All you have to do is go live right there and you're live. You can kind of see it right there. If you need to create a different one because you create in different streams, obviously you could click right there and you could create another one. And if you need to erase it, just open it up right there, click here, and it's going to delete this from everywhere. You can see it right there. Big shout out to Ecamm for doing this. Amazing. I really love it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and we'll see you in the next one.